Playtime songs.
Round and round the water goes, up to the clouds, down it flows. Evaporate and float away. The water cycle's here to stay. The water cycle's here to stay. When the sun is hot and bright, water rises out of sight. Evaporation's how it starts. Steam goes up in tiny parts. Round and round the water goes. Round and round the water goes. The steam turns into drops so small, making clouds so soft and tall. That's condensation, yes indeed. Making clouds is what we need. Then the clouds get full and gray. Rain and snow fall down our way. It runs in streams and oceans wide. Collected waters back inside. Round and round the water goes. Round and round the water goes. Splash and spin and learn today. The water cycles nature's way.